Hello. Lead generation is the process of finding potential customers for a business. One effective way to generate leads is to use Google Maps to find and gather information about local businesses. One of the key benefits of using Google Maps for lead generation is that it allows businesses to target a specific geographic area. This can help businesses save time and money by focusing their efforts on the most likely prospects. Another benefit of using Google Maps for lead generation is that it allows businesses to gather detailed information about their potential customers. This information can include contact information, business hours, reviews, ratings, and more. So, I bring to you Lead Generation Tool, which will scrape all these information from Google Maps and store it in an Excel file. You don't have to know coding or even install Python on your computer. Just download the tool and use it. So, let me show you how to use this tool. You might have to use a proxy, since there are chances that Google might not allow to scrape so many information quickly. It's up to you. You can buy an IPv6 proxy from this website. You'll get 10 proxies for just $1. Now, run the tool. It will ask you for the Google Map URL, so come to Google Maps and search for the business type. Select the rating if you want, and then copy this URL and paste it in the tool. Then enter the number of leads that you want. Then select whether you want to use proxy or no. Press enter and just wait for the tool to do the job for you. As you can see, it is scrolling and fetching the leads one by one, just within 2 seconds. Once the tool finishes the job, you can see a CSV file generated in the Tools folder. And here is the targeted data. Now, I run the tool again. This time I won't use a proxy. Go to Google Maps. Now I'll search for cake shops. Copy the URL and paste it here. I'll enter 50 leads. Then select No. Now, here it will ask for your Chrome browser version. Mine is 108, so I'll enter it here. Then press enter and let the tool do its job. And there you go. Congratulations, by using this tool you can generate many leads in few minutes. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.